So this is my first time using the Polymaker lw-pla, and I didn't realize it when I first got it, that it was pre-foamed. So I did have to do some research on this and get some information about the printer settings and stuff, but basically you print it just like regular PLA with the same settings, just a few minor adjustments. And as you can tell, I'm really getting some really clean prints, and I'm really liking this stuff. And I'm knocked off 30, 20, and even more grams per part, printing using the same settings basically. These have been cleaned up a little bit. My first prints, I did have little stringing and stuff in it. I was surprised that this one almost has 0. I recommend using this lw-pla. I think it's really easy to work with. I love sanding it. It sands really well. I can't wait. I'm going to do a light coat of resin on it when I'm done. Hopefully I'll still be less than the weight of a PLA blank.